Experiencing a constant reboot loop in your Nissan's infotainment system can be frustrating. This issue often stems from software glitches, weak battery connections, or, less commonly, hardware malfunctions. To initially address this, first ensure your Nissan Connect system is up to date. Nissan released firmware updates, versions 10.3 and 11.0, in 2024-2025 to patch these problems, available via USB at dealerships or over the air for newer models. Check for technical service bulletins like NTB 24001, which targets infotainment freeze and restart issues. If an update isn't immediately available or doesn't solve the problem, proceed to the next step, the battery pull. A battery pull involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes. This resets the infotainment system by draining residual power, often resolving software-related loops without data loss. After disconnecting, reconnect the terminal and restart your car. If the reboot loop persists, the issue might be more complex, potentially involving faulty hardware. Check your vehicle's diagnostic codes using an OBD2 tool. A code like U1000 indicates communication failures. For persistent issues, especially on older models, pre-2020, consider consulting a Nissan dealership for professional diagnostics and potential hardware repairs. Remember, regular maintenance, like keeping your firmware updated and avoiding extreme temperatures, can help prevent future occurrences. In some cases, like the 2020-2022 Rogue recall, a specific software update from the dealership may be necessary to resolve a known issue with a faulty infotainment module.